don't really know.
But you
I
Bantam
know,
always
I know,
beat PMP and she still run the last time. So if I say now let down your father, she would go in there from the beginning.
Well, I never know all that. Listen, me leave Jamaica around 26 years ago. In England, me there now.
No,
But
alright.
me have some vote down there still, because me have 5 picnic down there and them have to vote Labour, right? It's
Alright.
nothing from me.
She did in a
Yeah.
Nothing from me. Nothing from me, my brother.
So you want to come vote?
No, me can't come down, you know. Tell you the truth, me can't come. But as me say, me have 5 strong vote down there. You understand me? My picnic them, because any one of them vote for PMP, and not for me picnic them again.
You're not
You
to say
understand?
that, though, no. You're not to say
Now,
that.
me serious. No. Me is a born Labour right, my darling, and I will never change that. Nobody for me.
You must allow your children. You must allow your children.
No. Me not allow them, because them see the look things from me. I won't feed a PMP, because them too wicked. I truth not tell you. Yeah, man, me talk the thing just as it is, innit? I saw it go.
Today me dey on a PMP live, you know. And himself, Mark Golin make the best speech in a Jamaica at the budget.
Hey,
and nobody can make a better speech than Mark Golin. So me say to him, did you hear when Mark Golin taking credit for the reducing of crime and the growth of the economy? Him say no, him never listen to the speech. Then me say, how you say Mark Golin make the best speech in a parliament at the budget? But you never hear when he say him take credit for crime as an opposition.
Then I see him, so then come out, man, come and say Andrew a thief, man, and the report say it, and when you ask them which page, did you read the report? They never read that you are page.
Mark Golin handicap, man.
Oh my God.
Mark Golin handicap.
Where you come from?
Hello. Can somebody please tell Mark Golin that there is a prime minister vacuum in England and he would be a good choice in England, because right now the English people rise up against Cristiano. So it's a good time now for Mark Golin to pack him bag and go and let England become prime minister.
You know, so me hear one little argument though, say Mark Golin will not show the entire document of how his renunciation document, because some people on Twitter say them glimpse same banner England on the document. So that's why I'm not make it public. Me no know. Green light, me darling. You just quiet up this or so.
Yeah, let's go on, man.
As a person,
figure one side, man.
JLP and PMP. You know Andrew, you know every dollar where Andrew always make. You know how much account him have. You know how he all stay. You know everything about Andrew. On the other hand, you don't know how much money Mark Golin have. You don't know where house there. Him putting money in a trust account so you can't know nothing. How you can trust a man where hide everything from you and not trust a man where you know everything about him?
Jamaica people, them boy, me say the prime minister talk, man, it's a battle for the mind. It's a battle for the mind.
Hear them. Mark Golin rich. When getting riches from? He come here rich.
Let me tell you something.
But Andrew is a Spanish town, man. You're not supposed to have what you have. That's a problem, you know.
What we have to understand is black people, as some of us black people, seems like we reach a stage in life where we thank all the white man to enslave us.
Yeah.
We thank the white man to enslave us and to give us them religion and to rape and kill and brutalize us. That's all some of us black people are. And it's really, really sad. Because we're willing to tear down our own, trample him and destroy him. And we hold up Mark Golin and a pedestal like say he is the Messiah. It is so sad. It's so
How
sad.
can you feel
And I
good?
can tell anybody this. I will do everything and anything in my powers not to live in Jamaica under white man rulership. Somewhere else, but not Jamaica. My people pay for this land with their blood, sweat, and tears. And I don't want no white man to come back and rule this land with me night.
Can't manage them again, man. We can't manage them again.
Not going too wicked online, man.
There's a
Let's
set
go
of
one
people
side.
in Jamaica who want to live in poverty and poorness. So when Mark Golin come and say, I am for the poor, them say, yes, Mark Golin is for us because we're poor. And him sing that in them head. All if me poor, you can't call me poor. Because you know one call long that by yourself.
Well, on Boxer, you the thing with the PNP with the poor thing, man. PNP love the poor to keep them poor.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, have them for dependent on them. That is PNP strategy for ever since.
Yeah,
Yes,
but
keeping animals voting blacks.
But Kormaz,
That is the trick, you know. You love them, keep them, love them, yes. If you have them poor, about the dependency. Because that the socialist, communist type of thing style, lad.
you know,
That means you can't use them as voters at all time to control them.
You know,
That is the trick.
You know, Kormaz, I remember over the years, before 2020, the political analysts and usually say, when an election is called, you could tick off 21 constituency for the PNP before a ballot even casts. Right? 21.
Right. Mr. Winston,
Yeah.
if you do the history, where you feel that the PNP have some garrison in Kingston and St.
No,
Angelo?
I'm getting to that.
There's the things the Kingston and St. Angelo could win the general election while we're there now. Never think about the rural, the parish and the rural area, them, you know.
So they usually have these 21 constituency where them considered to be garrison seat, stronghold for the PNP. But I always said that the PNP will have whether 22 or 23 garrison. Because you know, the garrison they never count, the poverty one, the poor one. Them keep the people them poor. So the people them always look towards them as a messiah.
Yes.
So the people them don't want to have an independent life.
Yeah, because people don't like
so
independent people.
As long as the PNP is in power, the PNP will push a lot of things to them.
Yeah, socialism and communism is a cultist mentality, you know, to control people. Yes, that's what I'm telling the PNP are cultists and criminal organization now one. I was telling you that.
You know, have no conscience, man.
So the other people that's the next squatters settlement and them something there for vote. And them thing there.
So you see all the print media, the electronic media and the whole of them, the university, all of these people where you see a line to the PNP, the whole of them corrupt. All they see them are going like them decent and them freaky.
Yeah, man, we control people.
They know so when the PNP in power, the PNP will give them a blind. Somewhere, somehow.
All right.
From the
listen to this again, people. Listen to me as a people. Listen to the argument, yeah. And there's your people you're booking my asking why him support PNP. Him tell us boy, him family. The first they might tell say family are PNP and grew up PNP and little about that he tell us boy, I know some him parents they might come and give them a piece of house runners or a piece of land, something personal. It's not about PNP as government running the country and develop the country and good economy make everybody can prosper. It's about a personal something. You know what it is? And that's some personal something. Them can't.
85% of PNP now vote for Mark Golin now. And manly them a vote for.
Yes. That's what I tell people. Michael Malley, the worst thing ever happened to Jamaica. That mother shall never exist. I tell her that. I know they go cross the Boxer. I know they go cross the whole of Jamaica. Even some laborers have that same mentality there. True, that same thing there. That disease there in our DNA. You know what that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I tell you that.
You see it, you know?
Of course. The same mentality, that free mentality. That's what I tell say. Real labor right don't have the luxury like a PNP. That's why they have to perform. in the constituency and do nothing in the constituency due to Michael Malism and the free mentality. Yes, and that the Michael Malism ever since with that free mentality handout thing there. That's why your PNP say, hold on, let me just say this and get the mic, Mr. Winston. That's why your PNP say, no matter much things are going on in Jamaica, nothing are going. And the hustling and the free money mentality. That they matter about, you know. Because you have some man that they know what nowhere if they can't hustle, you know. What you mean hustle, thief matter about, you know. If you can't know, you know.
Sometimes I forget dark, you know. Because I say, how can some more things are going in front of your eyes and you still are going to say nothing are going?
That man, but that the matter about boxer.
Yeah.
You're not now going to matter about
things, man.
Free money matter, taxpayer money where them used to get. Free money just gonna do nothing.
You know.
We just passed one power live with 172 people over there. A quarrel say Andrew give back people $1,000 out of their money.
So DJ.
Say Andrew did that, let's see that.
Yeah.
Say Andrew give back people $1,000 out of their money.
Out of them money.
Yeah, and me did I go comment and me just skip past because I say I can't deal with the level of dunceness here.
No.
Me just leave it.
Right thing, Sheeta.
We just left it. 172 people sit down and listen to that.
And nobody said that a foolishness.
And don't say like them.
People in the comment section, but we just left. Me just.
If them sit down there and listen to Sheeta, they don't say like them.
Yeah, but the most corporate party in a history, man, and the populist party. Anyway, the wind blow, that's how them blow, man. That's how them turn. That's why Mark Bowling can't take up on one position. I'm all by place. Because populist. You see me? That may I tell you. Anyway, the wind blows, so PNP stay forever since. You see, this thing there with even the artists, them. I said, my friend, at the same things with Delroy Wills, them better must come and the whole of them. So that's it. That same playbook them I use over there. You see, I go past the bag of artists, them are so when PNP though.
You see PNB team yesterday, say,
yeah, Lisa Anna the same thing, because she was a Miss World, so them use her. This is a popular contest. And them think the PNP work with.
And she that dismal
yeah, but they're not busy about that. It's all about they use Portia. People love Portia, they don't love woman, but they just use her. And she has a PNP never mind forget the using neither.
Which part of she is? What's the goodness in none of them will call themselves PNP?
So that's what I'm trying to say. That all right. Let us look from 2020 till now. Look at the first time member of parliament that is sitting on the government benches. Like a Tova, a Rhoda, a young Charles, both of them. And
well, back to jump out. All right.
When you look on Delroy slowly and others, Anne-Marie Vaz, these member of parliament are operating to their maximum. They have delivered when you look at Tova constituency, in 5 years, Tova has delivered over 50 projects to our constituency. She have made water available to household thousands of people. Electricity, road, etc., etc., etc. Play field. Look at Lisa Anna. Since Portia draw for her in a politics, what is it that Lisa Anna, with all her brightness and all her prettiness, what she have is it that she have done for her constituency?
Remember that constituency, she arrogant, you know, she never know for talk to people, you know.
What is it that she have achieved for her constituency and for her people?
The church Miss Roll and a PNP ticket, she never do nothing. That's why it was a CFC, them say. I'm going to tell you this, I'm not who are vexed. CF seat, no matter what PNP or Labour, CF seat a corruption. I don't believe in a CF seat. People work for them seat.
And the people them in a center and I so bloody fool that you have been voting for one party from the constituency farm.
I mean that CF seat, man.
That constituency farm. It has voting for
performance. Work for your seat. That's why I like Andrew. Look at Andrew seat. Andrew seat, I don't know, CF seat, you know. But that he work and perform and he just seal himself there, so, you know, the Prime Minister, you know.
Chromas.
Yeah, performance. Yeah.
When you say you don't believe in a safe seat a corruption, then if you work for the seat.
Yeah, of course.
But look, no, me would agree with you and say a corruption or no, because if they work for their seat, they automatically are going to win it, so it go consider.
Yes, but they put in the work, and that is the standard. As long as you put in the work, you keep your seat. That is it. Like Andrew said, the Prime Minister is a perfect example.
So when you work for your seat and you get a seat 3, 4, 5.
You know, it's safe in that sense. It's a different argument. I'm not talking that way there.
No, but when you say that, it's like you have said two different something.
No, CFC, I mean like the garrison, them like you just know the Mark Golden seat. No matter nothing have to do, they just go in there, you get it. If Mark Golden go on different constituencies, now you lose, not go win as a candidate. Kind of good. That's what I mean. Safe to perform. You understand what I say now? But not line of argument that I deal with.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't get quiet, so Sir Winston?
Yeah, man, I'm still here, you know. I'm still here.
Okay, me just talk, everybody's quiet and Lashika, you know.
I'm still
Boxer
here.
jump out. Me not jump out, so yeah.
So when me I say, Chromas, sometimes you see, we need to stop blame the politician them sometimes and blame the people. The people never take them blame. Because if you are supporting a system that is working against you, good God, man, for your very own good, why you continue to support something that is not working for you? I said sometimes ago, you know, and a lot of people never take liking to it. And I will say it again. I will not vote for a member of parliament who is not performing. Especially now when resources are available.
Mr. Winston, I understand you. Okay, if you have a member of parliament with your party, that's different. But like I mean, on this constituency me live, you know. From 1980 to 1983 or whatever, I have one liberal and I'm a little baby. Me have one JLP MP. But me there, we just vote the Labour rights. You know, I don't know the PNP are going to win the constituency. We just vote.
What you are doing, you know, you are voting against a member of parliament who is not performing.
Yes,
that's what I'm saying.
At the same time,
not vote for a member of parliament who is not performing.
Yeah, see me. So I just look at the bigger alumni with the same. Just look at the bigger picture. You know, so I just vote for party. I'm a prime minister. I'm still trying to vote against, as you said, I'm still at fight, still vote against the MP still, but me not have the seat.
Yeah. We have been doing that for the past 30 years in Portland as well, you know.
Yeah, but I understand Mr. Winston's point still. I understand if you have a member of parliament.
But may I say what you are saying?
Yeah.
East Portland have been doing that for over 30 years.
Yes. Before it switch over, don't it?
And we now have no member of parliament.
Yeah. Before it switch to Labour, don't it? I understand what you said to man. Yeah, man.
You know the Chromas. I saw earlier on this week where Anne-Marie was break ground in a place name. Oh God.
Where are you talking?
Norwich Heights, in Norwich Heights, for road rehabilitation at the cost of $80 million. JPA's Heights, the people them is saying that it is 40 years.
Which one?
Nothing.
Heights or Norwich Heights?
Norwich Heights. Norwich, not JPA, Norwich. That it is 40 years that nothing have been done to their roads. To break ground now, we spend $80 million on that road. So I am saying that.
So the total cost of the project is $100 or something million though. I think $180 million and they're starting with $128 million.
I think it's 180.
Yeah, something I don't remember. And they're starting with the 80. And she was saying that one of the reasons why I didn't start as yet is because people build them house where the children supposed to go. So things weren't being regulated. The Operation Pride scheme that.
And you must have European people live up better though.
Yeah.
They must say, I don't know if she gonna get no vote, but the young people them seem
Chica,
enthusiastic.
me come from Portland and me I tell you say a pure PNP live up.
We know up there too.
The young people them, what they the youth, say for them I go to high school, him never see nothing like this, him never know
Maybe
say it with a
one-
fix.
Maybe
So
one
make
or
we
two
see.
young people we come out, but you see the one them will live there from when?
The older people them.
Yeah, because the
Stuff,
what the
bus
constant
stop,
name Winston?
the manly PNP them get
Okay,
Yeah.
when name again?
Dexter.
Dexter.
Him and one of them will give them the land to make them make up house and some other party in marriage and give people a whole heap of land to make up house. And that's why he not do nothing in a division, but he always win.
That's why I tell you some person.
I'm at the Rose count of 20 odd years. And he always win the potential.
All where people them vote for because of him give them land and them
Yes.
granny and them.
That's why I was telling you personal thing. The Michael Mali-ism. That's what I talked about earlier. Right? That is PNP.
loyal to nothing. Loyal to the
All right,
They now look for the country overall. What them coming as government, what them can do for the country. To make help everybody help themselves. They don't look on it that way there.
They have another scheme through Operation Pride up at Stony Hill, not Nicolene. You know the one there? Up at Stony Hill?
Shut over. I don't know what the best name.
Yeah, man, where you drive round a bumbo road there, so which part them the car wash, where the river run across the road and go up the hill there. They call it the Stony Hill.
Yeah, me know Stony Hill, but me I said
No
this scheme,
road.
me don't really know this.
No road.
They never have no water
No
up there.
water.
Since Anne-Marie come, then get water up a Stony Hill.
And a massive scheme, you know. And up there 99.9% PNP. But a mostly public sector worker, teachers
But I
and
see him thing
nurse
with
and
Norwich
police.
Heights too. The taxi are the run down Norwich Heights, you know, because most people live up there drive.
Yeah.
But then I have no road. Me just hope she get some vote from up the door because me know see a pure PNP up there. And you know what? See the comment them on Facebook when she put up a picture them. Nothing grateful. If you find 10 comment grateful, you find enough. Be a bash them a bash it, woman.
So that is what I'm saying.
Not Nicole, which candidate that about.
Anne-Marie.
Anne-Marie, but you can't, no matter about then, they still can't lose.
Yeah,
But
people.
I'm not talking about lose plan, Chromas. What I'm saying is that
Black brother. Totally different body.
what I'm saying that is she go there and
Me understand what you say still. Me understand. Me get the drift for you.
and then thankful.
Them are grateful, man. People are the most ungratefulest thing. They're wicked, man. If they can rob from them own self both time and so with their one and one and that much less.
So it look like you don't remember what they call them. You know, remember they call them EMP.
But when I see comment them, may I say, really?
They don't know nothing about gratefulness.
I mean, what's the PMP? I mean,
but
they are PMP anyway.
But Nicole, it is just like, oh, no matter what Andrew do, people still
Literally, if somebody had asked you where you're from, Yeti Boss, I think he works with Anne-Marie.
I live in Fairy Hill.
Yeah, that's Shika. That you that new candidate me over here, you know. I think that like. Yeah,
You see him in a green shirt everywhere, master. So
then you might put on video say some people support him talk him look like I mean little thing about him. They all go about the case thing, man, to give people advice.
Yeah. Because they might attack him.
Yeah, guys, yes. Yeah, man, people say one of people used to support him, man. Since you start supporting him, party, they not support him anymore.
So Chroma's Prince now have a good track record in the constituency.
Oh, Prince?
Mm.
Oh, you call Prince again? No, you call Prince.
She was a councillor.
You mean what I catch up outside that?
I don't really.
How about I catch up this division, Chi, man? Or outside to the connect to the Agri Park division. That's on the local side. Politics.
As you say, if you know him,
May I tell him some I see him couple times. Me really say no. Me just know say him work alongside Anne-Marie, but
But Prince, the lady they are telling her Prince now, I don't know, she not get this, they're not for run as an MP still.
Okay, she done a Portmore one night time where Terry Long did there.
Okay,
and now she
Government.
come to the
Government
upper Park.
Yeah.
Government change how them put in the candidate them, you know, because one of the problem I think the government is having, the people them who are so cultured, meaning that the people them who did it for so long, them have only but dirty habits, and them tend to not see the vision of the party. Well, that's my perspective anyhow. This is not coming from anywhere but my perspective. Looking at the slate of candidates, you can tell so the
Young people, young people are the vision of the party right now, you know.
Yeah.
You may not say as a
Yeah.
Sheikah.
Yeah.
But I saw Bobby Mantic
All people are broken them old men, them
Parliament.
old ways, you know. Old type politics are old ways.
Yeah, man.
That's what they are
Yes,
saying.
Bob Mantic
And-
in the Parliament, but me not see man under the meeting them. I wonder what happened to him if that
No
person
man,
won.
what happened is this, sir? What happened is this, sir? Bobby Montague, somewhat of, especially in the local government election, have lost some ground in the constituency.
Yeah, the Gale
What Bobby
division
Montague is
strongest.
present, what Bobby Montague is presently doing.
No, that
It's
is
No,
no,
I'm
not
all right
true.
now, man. I'm good here now, man.
Bobby,
Man, all right.
Bobby is
Winston.
presently mending
Winston,
the
that is not
relationship.
true. That is
But I
not
don't see
true.
him I mean, his own era council meeting. He is the chairman of the party and he wasn't at his own era council meeting. And know that the rest of the meeting them.
I don't want to talk about Sita or whatever.
Yeah, but you know, Mr. Pang, you see the discussion of a whole on the TikTok platform, you still, you know. So just know it.
Okay.
Better them deal with them thing. But
them suck me
to me,
always
to my
always
obviously I think I go on
influence
a Montague all right
the
right
constituency
now to me still.
No,
I'm
but
good.
listen, nothing is wrong with what we are saying.
Yeah, but
I believe
I don't want to
believe
be a
it is
part of it. You know
important.
why? You know why? These things, you have people from the constituency who listen to these conversations,
yes.
and it kind of influence them,
Yeah,
believe
true.
it or not. And I don't want to be a part of these conversations.
No problem.
Please. So
Yeah,
we
man,
pick
what
up
is that,
something
man?
else.
Yeah, no, it's
Because some of me don't live in a Bobby constituency. And from what me hear, what Winston I say, and also I go. That's what me can say.
Anyway,
Right?
when
People
Mr.
live in
Faza
their
do,
work with Bobby. No
when
one
Mr. Faza
want.
do, she a MP for the whole constituency, so no problem if she a fix not the PNP people.
Yeah, so me no want to get down in a who now work, who are men. Me no want to get down in that because me see where it brings segregation and that.
true. Real talk,
But
that's
we
real
pass
talk.
that. You say a piece. We agree. No problem with that.
You know that.
But Mark was so out of order to come and talk about Operation Pride in a parliament. That was so out of order.
When in the frightening man, then I realize then come back now so I get frightened.
Oh, yeah,
Then come
yeah,
back with him salary.
They want a part two fin soccer.
but Lashika, but seriously, you're surprised about that? Did you not see PJ walk to the crease to open the innings? Operation Pride with the grandchild of PJ.
We never know when I reach in a parliament. We don't know. We don't know how Mark really stand up and lie to the people them. All when him say about run with it. The man get a story for run with.
Look what Operation Pride have cost this country. Even the very same scheme we are talking about in Portland, up by Stony Hill, is an Operation Pride scheme. And up to the day they don't have no road. Mall Road. If any road there, I must send Anne-Marie to member of parliament. No water. No God Almighty water. And Raya Grande Bridge, Raya Grande River run right back at the scheme.
Oh, nothing.
Right behind the scheme. Where billions and billions of gallons of water flowing at the Caribbean Sea. And there's no water in the scheme. Because the scheme come all the way over to Raya Grande River. Right? And these are the legacy of the PNP. You have another one in a St. Mary, in a Bobby constituency named Tree Hill. And one of the biggest scheme in Jamaica. You could have rival in the scheme in a Portmore. No road, no sewage system. When you buy one lot and put up a house, you have to run electric wire haul 2,000 feet to get current to your premises. And I know exactly what I'm talking about because I build a house down there. And more than 2,000 feet of wire we have to run to get electricity.
Wow.
Right? No road, no water, no nothing. And these are the legacy of PJ Patterson. Operation
I saw them
Pride
did
and
one turn.
Life.
I saw them did one turn over Bernard Lodge, you know, Winston. Where
And now,
people just capture the
Bobby
land.
have to work overtime to get 3 housing scheme regularized. Overtime right now, Bobby have to work to bring that scheme to regularize that scheme. Oh boy. You know, sometimes, I am starting to regret my decision. That when me younger, I never seriously think about migration. Because I'm starting to get so fed up at this country.
No, man, that's a lot. Mr. Winston, man. Yeah, all right, man. You're not so bad, man. Good man.
No,
Give
man,
thanks, man. Yeah, man, no, man, but give thanks. I understand where you come from. The feelings more time, but yeah, man, but give thanks, man.
No, we like Jamaica, brother, for you, for a man to live, because you say live in a foreign, stress kill people, you know. And when you live a foreign, peer stress. You have 10
you can't want nothing, brethren. Nobody not busy there foreign. You can't want no bills, brethren.
You have 110 times more stress than when you live in Jamaica. And you live in Jamaica, you can go sit down under one tree and just...
Yeah, man, depression kill you foreign more, brother.
Relax your mind.
Mango. Yeah, man, depression kill you foreign more, because it's more lonely and them saying that's not bad if it, and whatsoever. Like Jamaica, you can hold the car and chat with your friend, man. Chat with the Ray and
play some domino and enjoy yourself and laugh and go see and go river and all that kind of something there. Everything is foreign money. Every move they make.
The weather is like 10 degrees now. Today early in the day, and I had an appointment, to go hairdresser, and I had to cancel it. A regular 20-minute drive told me that I was going to be there within 30 minutes, and it's because the weather is nice. So the traffic, it's also the weekend. But anytime you see the outside look like a bit nice-ish, I saw the whole place black up because we don't have this very often, or because we have been locked in for so long. So once you see like a sun outside, and you don't have to in this whole heavy jacket and whatever, the whole place black up.
We have overcast.
Yeah,
with a high wind.
In the winter from late October, come straight back to January, February, thereabout, the days are dark. Literally every single day is dark. Very rare. And you go outside,
Jamaica
you
paradise,
see the
man.
sun
Nobody
outside.
fool nobody. No regret, nothing. You live 10 times longer. When you're at Jamaica, believe you me, 10 times longer. Everybody are foreign, depend on how much medication. You're at Jamaica, you live to 70 at the end of depend on medication.
The other day, me hear one CXC member of parliament, Nicky Phillips, coming out and say that JUTC bus is only for urban center and not rural Jamaica. These people do not have any love and concern for the Jamaican people. We are losing our young children to dangerous and reckless taxi operator, right? And the government hear the cries of parents who have lost their children, right? And decide to roll out a school bus system nationwide. And people are up in arms against this. People coming out and criticizing this.
And everybody, man, I want to people.
Who shouldn't in our parliament any at all? What have he contributed to the parliament since he sat in that seat? What is his achievement for the people of Manchester? Oh boy.
Yeah, the opposition and them always are going to oppose.
Sir Winston,
Hey, politics.
Some are keen on knowing constituency.
Evening.
May I ask?
No.
Politics football.
You think, hey, listen, Lashika. Remember,
But
some
I'm
Mark
submit the
Walling
road.
was ushering in a politics, not knowing nothing at all, you know. Mark Walling not even knowing constituency boundary.
No, but the man is a
Big up
devil, man. And him
yourself,
submit the
2 grand.
road.
Me see you did send me some money gun. Big up yourself.
And
All
him
right.
submit the
Owe
road,
me
you know.
some money,
That's
you
the
know.
problem.
I said 2 grand where you some money?
Yeah, cause when me look on 2 grand channel, me see me hear my voice over there over YouTube. 2 grand need to pay me some money in the US.
Me love how 2 grand are gone, man.
Right now,
2
2
grand.
grand.
Him stream some of them in the TikTok live them. Yes, what
Right now, 2 grand. 2 grand. Should I bust it up power right now? So lion
Yes,
and
some TikTok. We go on YouTube and hear them, man. Cause on YouTube, we listen to the Prime Minister yesterday.
yeah, me over 2 grand. Me I say, hear me over here.
DJ, I say you way. DJ, crew with watch Argentina a year ago.
Yes, man, I saw your
Okay,
time.
man, politics and sport, as you think name it, politics and sport, you know, but we're not here for a long time. We watch so much or something. Football or cricket.
Anytime you
Jamaica
can
go
find
play.
out someone, no ask which part in there.
Jamaica
When
go
me
play
look at
St.
him,
Vincent
admin, no,
and draw. You can't believe.
When me look at him, admin, I say politics. So come heal me up, better football in my watch. Football.
You know what I'm saying, man. Politics and sport, man. Man, show that to do.
One thing with Dean, you know. Dean, make me look like a dibby up right now.